Now listen, if you love a good cheeseburger and you love creamy macaroni and cheese, I'm going to show you how to take both of them, put them together in a crock pot, and make one of the most comforting foods you've had in a long time. And the best part, you don't have to stand over a stove. Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we are going to make an old fashioned comfort dish with a little southern sass, Crockpot Cheeseburger Mac. This is one of those recipes that will fill the house with smells and have folks wander into the kitchen saying, "What's cooking?" You're going to need your crock pot, so pull that out of the closet, okay? Give it a quick spray with a little bit of nonstick spray because we like easy cleanup as well. You'll need hamburger. I've got a little over a pound here, a lean cut. Okay, guys, we're not going to pre-cook this. You're going to need elbow noodles. You need some peppers and onions. This is going to give you a little bit of color and some extra flavor. You're going to need cheese, and don't be shy with that cheese. Milk, you need some spices, broth, and Worcestershire sauce. This is the secret ingredient to make it taste like a cheeseburger. All right, we're keeping this easy. Add your elbow noodles to your crock pot and your hamburger. Yes, add it in raw. You will want to make sure that you have a lean cut of hamburger. No browning, no extra pans, guys. We are not making a mess today. Now we're adding our vegetables. We have chopped these, guys. You can chop yours as coarse or as small as you like. We're going to be adding these over to our easy crock pot cheeseburger mac. This will bring so much flavor and it's going to bring us some color as well. Now comes a little bit of spice. We're going to be adding a teaspoon. Ooh, it got stuck in there, guys. We got a humid day here in Florida. A teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of, whew, the mustard did good, of mustard powder, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And guys, you'll want to taste this as it cooks a little bit because you may want to add more salt. You may want to add more pepper. And don't forget that Worcestershire sauce. That's what brings that burger flavor. Pour in your broth. Now, guys, you can use the beef broth that's in the carton like I had on the table. We are using the better than beef broth that I think is so much better. It just has so much flavor to it. And just mixed it with some water, and here we have it, okay? For this easy cheeseburger crock pot mac. Huh, that was all messed up, guys. This is a crock pot cheeseburger mac. Give this a stir to get it all acquainted. Hey there. Hey, how are you? I'm fine. This is going to be so good, guys. Look at that. And you didn't have to stand over the stove all day, okay? I'm all for them simply Southern grub recipes. Put a lid on this and cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours until the hamburger is cooked through and the pasta is tender. If you're walking by, give it a quick stir. If you forget, that's okay. It'll still be fun. Ooh, goodness. Now the magic. The pasta is tender, the beef is cooked. Now we're going to make it creamy. Add 1 cup of milk and a couple handfuls of cheddar cheese. Now we are using a sharp cheddar, and this is one that we had cold smoked. And guys, if you've never cold smoked cheese, it is the best. Put me a comment there. I'll be glad to share with you our cold smoke. This ain't no time to be calorie counting. So we're going to let this cook for just a few minutes and melt that cheese. Mmm. That tastes like cheeseburger mac and cheese, and they moved in together. That's downright comfort food. If you want to dress it up, put a little bit of bacon in it. If you want a little bit of spice, add you a little bit of hot sauce. But really, it's perfect just as it is. If you enjoy simple recipes, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, and hang around with us for a while. Because around here, we keep things easy and we keep them delicious. All right, y'all, grab a bowl. I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care and God bless.